Johor's most playful fitness gathering of the year.
Are you ready?
Start your day with energizing workshops. Recharge and explore. When the sun sets, the energy explodes. The night fitness party takes over.
Impress mode, the energy, and reunion all the members, more fun and stronger together.
It's more than a class. UFX is an all-day fitness playground.
I've not seen this in JB, which is very exciting really. And you'll be surprised, there's a whole community here actually. There's a big group. For me, it's the first time. So I think it's fantastic to be a part of it.
Lead by top trainers and international presenters. Welcome to UFX 2025. See you on September 27th at Paradigm Mall Convention Center, Johor, Bahru.